Season's greetings. My name is DeForest Brown. I come to you from Bags by Cab Yarn Shop in Denver, Colorado. I am here today to show you how to make wreaths and holiday decorations using fruit. Okay, let's get started. Very simple. We're going to make a wreath using fruit. I like to use vine wreaths. I have spray painted this one red just to be festive for the holidays. Green is my favorite color. I chose green pears and green apples. We're just going to actually use some pine cone, some cherries. I love using eucalyptus because eucalyptus have a beautiful smell for the holidays and year round as well. Just going to place your apples throughout. No rhyme or reason, just where you like to have them displayed. Remember, it's the holiday. Every and anything is festive. And as you see, I still have a great deal left over. We will deal with those in just a moment. Let's tie a ribbon. It's not that important for you to be a perfect bow tire. Just tie it. If you don't like it, redo it. Very, very simple. There you have it. Now, what are we going to do with these? Well, storage. Take a simple glass bowl, put them all in the bowl, and there you have yet another display using fruit. And that is how you make Christmas decorations using fruit. Again, my name is DeForest Brown. I come to you from Bags by Cab Yarn Shop, Denver, Colorado, bagsbycab.com. Happy holidays, and thank you for watching.